Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Ask William. Today I'm going to be unboxing the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Esperta coffee machine in red. The Esperta line of coffee machines is available in two colors, red and black. Upon first impressions, the box feels a lot bigger in real life than I expected. From the get-go, the logo and the product is very well displayed, and the printing on the box is a high-quality gloss that gives you a true reflection of what's in the box. The only discrepancy I immediately noticed was upon purchasing the device, you only have a choice between the red and the black model. I ordered the red, but the product I received did not represent the one advertised. It was more like a hybrid between the two. A red base with a black top. The new Esperta coffee machine combines a sophisticated spheral design with two unique expert brewing modes, Espresso Boost and Delicate Brew. These two modes are new to the range and was not available on previous models. At the bottom you will find the Bluetooth connectivity icon. Thanks to the Dolce Gusto app, when you connect via Bluetooth to your machine, you can personalize your experience and even make a cup of coffee remotely. Find out more about the Bluetooth functionality in my video on it. On the back it shows you that the maximum pressure can go up to 15 bars. Also that it has a descaling alert function and the hermetically sealed capsule technology that ensures freshness. As well as the 1.4 litre capacity of the water tank, which is almost a fourth of a gallon and equivalent to 6 cups. The top of the box shows you the different size settings from an espresso to a full cup of coffee. Upon opening the box, you will find the Get Started guide as well as the user manual. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. In the box, you will find a 1.4 litre water tank with an attached bottom valve and a removable cap for refilling your water without removing the tank. The matte finish on the plastic should prevent fingerprint smudging. Please note that this tank is not dishwasher friendly. Next, we have the capsule holder. Other than previous holders, this is made from a much denser plastic that almost has a metal-like appearance. Another nice feature is the added button to open the capsule holder. Inside the container is the rinsing tool, used for descaling and cleaning. The spheral design really stands out and makes this machine look very futuristic. Upon unboxing the main unit, you can clearly see the red electrical cord and plug that is synonymous with all new models of Dolce Gusto machines. The bottom section consists of a drip grid attached to a drip tray that fits perfectly into the drip tray support. Upon removing the drip tray and drip support, larger glasses, cups and even the separately bought stainless steel thermo mug can be placed in this opening. Adjust the drip grid and tray by turning it clockwise and lifting it, then turning it anti-clockwise until it clicks into place. The first setting can handle medium-sized glasses or cups. Adjust the grid to fit larger containers. Separately purchased Dolce Gusto cappuccino cup and espresso cup will fit perfectly on all these settings. The water tank can be removed for refilling or can be topped up with water once attached. Upon closing the cap, you will notice a pressure relieving opening at the top. Your machine is now ready for its cleaning cycle that has to be done upon first use. Make sure your water tank is filled with fresh water. Unlock the capsule holder and place the rinsing tool inside. Slide the holder into the machine and close the locking handle. Now place a large container underneath the coffee outlet. Switch on the machine by holding down the Dolce Gusto button for 1 second. You should now clearly see the green lights of the volume display. Set the light volume to 7 by pressing the up button. Press the cold button once and wait till the machine is done pouring. Now repeat the same step with the hot setting. When the countdown is finished, you will hear a mechanical release sound. You can now remove the rinsing tool from the capsule holder and store it away for later use. You will have to descale your machine every 3 to 4 months. For this you will need to purchase Dolce Gusto's liquid descaler. After refilling your tank, you are ready to prepare your first beverage. And there you have it, the Dolce Gusto Esperta coffee machine by NESCAFÉ. If you would like to see more content like this, you always have the option to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.